Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share few simple but effective home remedies for cold and cough during winter. Winter is the season comes with cold, cough, throat irritation. Children are more prone to get this because of their low immunity. This affects our daily routine day-to-day works. Here I have shared 3 easy grandma's home remedies with the base of Ayurveda. These are highly effective and I tried it personally on my kids also. Let us see one by one. Here I have taken few leaves of tulasi or holy basil. Latin name is Ocimum sanctum. According to Ayurveda, this is one of the best pacifier of kapha and vata. It has anti-tubercular properties. Essential oils in tulasi leaves have very good effect on respiratory system. They help to reduce cold, cough and even asthma. It has antifungal and antibacterial property. As a whole plant, it contains plant mercury. Crush 6 to 8 leaves and extract 1 spoon of juice. You can give this medicine starting from 6 months old babies up to 10 years old kids. Spoon of juice is extracted and keep it aside. Take 3 to 4 leaves of Indian borage or Mexican mint. It is called as Karpuravalli or Doddapatre or Sambrani Soppu in local language. Coleus aromaticus is the Latin name. This plant is used as home remedy for cold and cough. Directly we cannot extract juice from this leaf. We have to make it soft by holding it on fire. Put on the stove and make it soft by holding it on fire like this. These are softened leaves. Now extract juice from these leaves by squeezing it. Approximately 1 spoon of juice is required. Now add 1 spoon of pure and organic honey. Honey is cough suppressant. It has anti-inflammatory property and anti-allergic property. It is a natural antibiotic for external and internal infections. For small babies up to 1 year, we have to give this mixture 1/4 spoon 3 times a day, and for young children 1 spoon 3 times a day. Second remedy is squeeze half cut lemon into a bowl. Lemon is rich source of vitamin C. It helps to treat cold, running nose and pain of throat. It reduces inflammation. For this add 1 teaspoon of pure organic honey. Mix well. Mixture of honey and lemon juice acts as cough suppressant, acts as anti-inflammatory, and it's a natural antibiotic. It helps to clear the mucus and gives soothing effect to the throat. In case of cough and throat irritation, this mixture should be licked every 2 hourly. This remedy is effective for young children and for adults also. Our next home remedy, heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan. For this add 1/2 inch sized fresh ginger. Ginger is called as Ardraka in Sanskrit. Gingiber officinale is Latin name. Ginger is one of the best kapha pacifier. For this add about 1 spoon of crushed organic jaggery, 3 to 4 leaves of tulsi or holy basil, and a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Turmeric is rich source of antioxidants. It has antifungal, antiviral and antibacterial property. It is very useful in treating cold, cough and throat irritation. Regular use of turmeric boosts immune system. Always turmeric should be followed by pepper. We have to add crushed pepper. Pepper helps for the absorption and better functioning of turmeric. It soothes the respiratory tract and it helps to cure cold, cough and sore throat early. Bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, put it to simmer and boil it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, put off the flame and cover it to infuse. After 5 minutes, filter it. Drink hot or warm, sip by sip, 2 to 3 times a day. Few suggestions for better results are: first thing is avoid junk food. Second thing is steam inhalation that opens the blockage. Third thing is turmeric milk for kids and turmeric tea for adults. Regarding turmeric milk and turmeric tea, I have already uploaded video. Please check the link in the description box below. Fourth thing is pranayama and kapalabhati. Regular practice of pranayama and kapalabhati is very effective. Fifth thing is neti. In that jalaneti and sutraneti both are very effective in respiratory elements. I hope definitely these remedies will help you. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.